Every year, India generates over 230 million tons of agricultural residue. A large part of it is still burned as waste. But what if the same biomass could power industries? Industries like food processing, textiles, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and packaging run on one critical input: process heat. Steam, hot air, thermic fluid, these are the backbone of production. And today, most of this heat still comes from fuels like furnace oil, diesel, and gas, which means rising fuel costs, exposure to global price volatility, increasing emission pressure. This is where biomass changes the equation. Unlike many renewable energy sources, biomass can directly generate high-temperature heat required for industrial processes. It can be used in boilers for steam generation, thermic fluid heaters, drying and heating applications, making it a drop-in alternative for fossil fuels in many industries. Earlier, biomass adoption was limited by inconsistent fuel quality, unreliable supply chains, operational challenges. But today, things are changing. Structured fuels like pellets and processed biomass, better combustion systems, and improved engineering have made biomass more reliable and scalable. In the next 10 years, biomass will reshape how key industries operate. Food and beverage for cooking, drying, and steaming. Textiles for dyeing and processing heat. Pharmaceuticals for sterilization and clean steam. Chemicals and polymers for process heating. Packaging and polyfilm for consistent thermal energy. For these sectors, biomass is not an alternative. It is becoming a competitive advantage. In the coming decade, biomass will reduce dependence on imported fuels, create value from agricultural waste, support rural supply chains, enable industries to decarbonize without disrupting operations. This is not just an energy transition, it is an industrial transformation. The future of industrial energy in India will not be built on a single solution. But for process heat, biomass will play a central role. The shift has already started. The next 10 years will define how fast industries move.